I'm so bored.
Me too. There's nothing fun today.
Hey, let's play snakes and ladders.
Yay! Snakes and ladders? I've never played it.
Don't worry, I'll teach everyone. Let's start by picking our favorite color tokens.
Every player starts from number 1. Roll 1 dice. Move exactly the number you get. See a ladder? Ladders help you climb higher. A snake! If you land on the snake's head, you slide all the way down.
Keep rolling the dice. The first player to reach 100 wins.
Yay! Yay!
Dice.
That was so much fun.
You should try snakes and ladders with your family and friends too. Did a snake catch you?
Yay! Yay!